have OK Play here. I'm so excited. RV season is coming up, and I always look for games my kids can play. This is one of the newest travel games out there, and I picked it up. So let's figure it out. This is definitely portable. It's durable. I like that it's one little piece, and I can hang it on a bag. I can put it in the RV, and it's very, very simple to learn. So when you take these or put these out, you're going to hear them snap in and then snap out. So you know that it's secure, which is nice. So you take it out, and then you are going to snap it in, and there is a snap. And it's very quick to learn. So first, you're going to take all these pieces out. The game can have 2 to 4 players, and it is really a quick learn. So let's just play with 2 players. So each player is going to get one color, and you're going to have your playing field here. This game is a game of luck and strategy. The object of the game is to get 5 tiles in a row. It could be vertical, it could be horizontal, or it could be diagonal. So something like this, or like this. 5 in a row. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to take turns. The first person is going to put a tile down. The second person is going to keep going. And then you're going to keep going. You're going to try to block people from getting 5 tiles. And you're going to keep going until you run out of tiles or there is a winner. Let's just say or pretend that we have all of the tiles laid out, and this is all we have. If you don't have any more tiles, you can, and if everybody used their tiles, you can take a tile and move the tiles. So let's pretend all the tiles are out here. You can also use the original tiles when your turn comes if you don't have any. But you're going to take turns laying them down to get 5 in a row, blocking people, and sometimes you're going to have to work together to kind of find new spots. And this is going to continue until you get 5 tiles in a row. OK Play is a great game. It is fun. It is quick to learn. And it is compact, waterproof, and durable. I do highly recommend this game.